performance that makes our hearts beat faster. Is that what Porsche still stands for in the age of electromobility? Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Porsche. Our deliveries in the United States are up 6.5% through the end of October compared to last year. We see the changes we need to make. We are embracing the power of electric drives. The Taycan is a Porsche, a true Porsche. Much more than that. First and foremost, the Taycan is a true sports car. With a brand new innovative technology building on our entire know-how of engineering sports cars for more than 70 years.
For the 4S, we are offering two battery sizes. The performance battery has an output of up to 522 horsepower. The Performance Battery Plus delivers 40 horsepower more. Including charging time, the Taycan is able to drive over 2,100 miles in 24 hours. Driver focused, connected and digital. Driving dynamics suitable for the racetrack and the range that allows long journeys. On the road, Taycan drivers can charge their vehicles at Electrify America charging points. It's free of charge for the first 30 minutes. In ideal conditions, they can charge from 5 to 80% in about 22 minutes. And we are also about to take the next step in racing. On Friday, the 99X Electric will compete in our first ever Formula E season. We do not stand still, we keep changing. Because only by changing, Porsche will always remain Porsche.